Hello everyone, it's me Amin and you are with me today. And first of all, I'm wishing you all a very happy Eid Mubarak. And this is Eid al-Fitr today, and I am vlogging over here the biggest river of Assam. This is mighty Brahmaputra. You have heard about it so many times. The river Brahmaputra originates from the Kailash ranges of Himalayas, and it flows through the Tibet, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bangladesh, and finally it ends up in Bay of Bengal. The entire distance that it covers is 2,900 kilometers. And one of the famous singers, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika ji, once sang about this river that Bistrino Parore Okhoinkho Janore Hahakar Huni Burhaluit Tumi Burhaluit Buakio. This one was a very famous song of Mr. Hazarika. And this is the river, as you can see. So very much beautiful view. And I'm here with my childhood friends. Lots of my childhood friends are enjoying this moment. As you can see on my backside, yeah, these are my childhood friends. Yeah, someone is saying hi. Say hi. Okay. He's my childhood friend Saidul, and I have lots of my friends over there on my back. Okay, they are clicking photos, and all my childhood friends are following me. And this is Saddam, one of my most favorite friends. And he's very shy of cameras. He's not willing to come in front of the camera, so he's going behind me. Look at his face. And this is going to my status that you're gonna be roast very well. Bye-bye. Can you see that all of them are going towards the river, but I'm wearing a show that I cannot go. So it's the time to sing a song regarding Brahmaputra River. And this was sung by famous Assamese singer, writer, lyricist, and one of the famous personality of India. And he has won the Bharat Ratna. I think the second person from Assam who has won Bharat Ratna. So he is Mr. Bhupen Hazarika Dev, and I'm going to sing a song of Mr. Hazarika regarding Brahmaputra River, that Bistirino Parore Okhoinkho Janore Hahakar Huniu Nihobde Nirobe Burhaluit Tumi Burhaluit Bua Kiyo विस्तार है अपार प्रजा दोनों पार करे हाहाकार निशब्द सदा वो गंगा बहते हो क्यों. So actually this song was written by Mr. Bhupen Hazarika on Brahmaputra River, but whenever it comes to entire India, then the songs turn to Ganga instead of Brahmaputra. So I'm enjoying the moment and wishing you all again a very happy Eid. Enjoy the moment, enjoy the Eid. See you all again. Thank you. Bye bye.